All right, today we're going to show you how to change a belt on a 2018 three-seater Ranger XP 1000. Actually, I think you could even use this method on a single overhead cam Ranger 1000, but all of the 19 and newer, all of the present day, this is 23, so I know for sure through 23 models. Also, you can use this exact same video for the 20 Pro and 21 and newer, any style of turbo RZR, and for that matter, the 24 XP 1000 RZR, because the secondary clutches are so similar, same method. So this is a basic video, but there are a lot of people out there just never tackled this and want to know. Hopefully putting a Hunterworks belt on it for the Ranger and that 24 RZR, we use the same belt, but it's our turbo belt, sticker, grabs better, you'll really like it, so check that out. So the thing is that your toolkit has a bent little handle deal. I lost mine. I would love to have it for demonstration purposes. I don't use it, but it's a bent little handle, 1/4 inch drive, dog point, I think, on the end, so it doesn't have threads right on the end that you screw in a threaded hole and you sit here with your hand. All right, in a shop environment or even on a trail, depends on what you carry with you, but you could take a ratchet and what I'm fixing to show you here and use it. That's what I use here in the shop. It'll be optional on the belt, so when you see belt change tool, you'll know what it is. Very simple. Look at there. I'll have to read it because I can't even remember what it is. It's a 1/4-20 by 1 3/4 flat point socket set screw with a 1/8 inch Allen head on it. Okay. Watch how easy this is. So screw it in with your fingers, get it started. You can certainly use a ratchet handle. I'm going to use an impact with an 1/8 inch. And you want to screw it in until it's flush right there. Just make it flush with the hole. Now your secondary is slack and pull off. I'm trying to get out of the way of the camera and do it. It's kind of tough. Okay, now, there we go. The belt's off. Put your Hunterworks belt on it. Always put it where you can read the writing, like this. FYI, belts are not directional until you use them. I don't care if they got an arrow on them, whatever it is. After the very first time, just put it back on that way, okay? So you're gonna slip it back around the primary. Around the bottom of the secondary. Work it on. Take your impact, your ratchet. Take your screw out. Don't spend 10 minutes going. Rotate it till the belt comes back to the top. I'm in gear, unfortunately. All right, put your cover back on. You are done. Pretty easy when you're using that little screw. Like I said, it'll be optional on the belt page, so you'll know what it is. Anyway, appreciate you guys. If you got any questions or tech questions on this thing, Todd at Hunterworks.com. Please subscribe and like, and appreciate all you do for us.